So the question is, A takes 4 days to finish a job and B takes 5 days. If both of them work together on the same job, what proportion of work is done by A? What proportion of work is done by A? Here, there are two concepts are involved. See, one is time and work or work done. The other is proportion. One is time and work and other is proportion. See, time and work, always convert your work done as work done in a single unit. See, when I talk about single unit, supposing somebody say what it says is A completes the work in 4 days. A can do a work in 4 days. So in 1 day, find out what he will do in 1 day. It will be 1 by 4. Similarly, B can do the work in 5 days. So always convert as unitary. So B can work in 1 day, he will do 1 by 5. A works 1 by 4 in 1 day. B works 1 by 5 in 1 day. Now they are asking about proportion of A's work. Proportion, whenever I talk about proportion, it will always be less than 1. Be very careful. It will always be, proportion will always be less than 1. Proportion of total work or whatever it is be always be less than 1. It can never be more than 1. Whenever I talk of proportion, it can always be less than 1. It should always be less than 1. Now what happens is, find out what both of them put together can do in 1 day. So what will happen is, 1 day they will do 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5, which will be equal to 1 by x, or it is not required. So 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5 is to be found out. So what I do is, here the LCM will be 20 and it will be 5 by 4, which will be equal to 9 by 20. So in 1 day, they will do 9 by 20 of the work. In 1 day, they will do 9 by 20 of the work. And when they combine together, they will be doing 20 by 9 days. So when you put 1 by x, they require 20 by 9 days to complete the work. That is one way of doing it. So I wrote 1 by x first, so it will be, x will be 20 by 9. They require 20 by 9 days to do the work. And here the proportion of A's work is required. See, out of 9 by 20, how much work is A doing? That is the proportion. Out of 9 by 20, how much work is A doing? So A is doing 1/4 out of 9 by 20. 1/4 out of 9 by 20, because 9 by 20 is the work done. You don't have to convert into the total work. In 1 day, we are doing like this, the same proportion will go on throughout. So A is doing 1/4 of 9 by 20. Now what will happen? This will get cancelled, this will 5, and 5 will go up, this will be equal to 5 by 9. So the answer is 5 by 9. It will be 5 by 9 is the proportion of work. The other way of doing it is, see, I wrote 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5 will be equal to 1 by x. So when we solve this, this will be 1 by x will be 20 by 9. So x will be equal to 20 by 9. X will be equal to 20 by 9. So they require 20 by 9 days to complete the work. They require 20 by 9 days to complete the work. And whenever A does in 1 day, he will be doing 1 by 4. So A's total work will be 20 by 9 into 1 by 4 will be equal to 5 by 9. So either way, this or this. But this is a simpler one because you don't have to convert to 20 by 9 all this. So the answer is 5 by 9. Follow my channel, subscribe to my channel, is free of cost. I will be adding questions every now and then.